How to fix all the merged cells need to be the same size Excel error. All the merged cells need to be the same size error in Excel occurs when you try to merge cells that are not uniform in size. Here are a few ways to resolve this. Make sure the cells you are trying to merge are exactly the same height and width. If they are different sizes, you cannot merge them until you make the sizes consistent. Select all the cells you want to merge and open the Alignment tab on the ribbon. Click the drop-down next to Vertical Align or Horizontal Align and choose Distribute all rows or columns to make them the same size. Unmerge any previously merged cells and remake the merged cells from scratch again, making sure to only select cells that are the same dimensions before merging. Use the Format Painter to copy cell size. Select a cell with the desired height/width, click Format Painter, then click and drag across the cells you want to merge to make them match. Adjust row height/column width manually by dragging the edges of the cells to equal widths, then merge. Check for any hidden rows/columns that might be causing a difference in apparent size. Unhide anything hidden before merging. Make sure cell grid lines are enabled so you can visually verify that the cell sizes match up before attempting to merge. Following these tips should resolve the error and allow you to properly merge cells of the same uniform size in Excel.